Time I change the game. Okay. Hit the highway, I'm changing lanes.
Okay, hey you guys, it's Bike Kiki back with another YouTube video. I know y'all niggas miss me, but I'm here with my little sister and we're about to do the Popeyes and Chick-fil-A taste test.
Yeah.
And yeah, my phone is probably not gonna stay right there, but this is gonna be like a short video because it's not that much to it. Pretty much everybody tried it by this point, but
I had both.
yeah, she already had the chicken sandwich.
You know what Jada had said? He said it's not better than my number 2 and strawberry milkshake at Chick-fil-A.
What is the number 2? The sandwich?
Yeah.
I'm surprised the phone is still up. So right now we're at Popeyes. It's not really a long ass line, but it's like about to be 1. So it's about to be rush hour, but it's not rush hour yet. So bitch, can you wait for the motherfucking?
I'm trying to go home.
Okay, so we'll be back soon. Got them. It literally only took like 5 minutes,
well,
but we went a little bit earlier. No, it wasn't really 10 minutes. It was like more like 5 to 7 minutes.
I text mommy, I said we stood in line for like 5 minutes, but mommy don't think it's on when we done.
Yeah, we're gonna check the chicken when we get to the car because a lot of people saying like the shit be like half cooked. So we're gonna go check when we get to the car. But I'm also about to go to Chick-fil-A. You know, Chick-fil-A already fast, so it ain't gonna take that long. Cause basically Popeye just had Chick-fil-A speed. So we gonna see how fast Chick-fil-A is.
I signed up on my card and she gave me the goddamn sandwich.
Yeah, as soon as we got done paying, they basically she put it down before we got done paying actually. So they was like mighty fast. I would have recorded it, but I don't know. So, you know, some people funny about recording stuff. So I just got done getting the other Chick-fil-A sandwich, you know, regular Chick-fil-A time, 5 minutes. So yeah, we about to get home. We're like 15 minutes away from the house. And yeah, I don't know if my whole family's gonna be in the video, but I'm gonna be trying both sandwiches, so. Ooh, look at this. Look. Okay. I'm like actually like really scared. Look, it's a thick boy. Let's get both of them. Low key. Oh no, I was about to say they look the same. They don't look the same. Okay, I was gonna say they look the same, but they don't. This is way darker and this is way lighter. So, and they're both spicy. So they're both spicy chicken sandwiches. I'm gonna try this one first because I tried this, but I only tried the deluxe version. I never tried the original classic version. So both of these are low-key 2 new experiences. It really just tastes like Popeye's chicken on a bun. It's not bad though. I'm not dissing it. But I'm just saying, what is this? But it really just tastes like Popeye's chicken on a bun. Yeah, I do not like their pickles. I don't like Popeye's pickles. Those shits are disgusting. But the Chick-fil-A sandwich got more flavor to it. Low-key prefer Chick-fil-A. sandwich, and that's crazy. But I thought this was gonna be so fire. I thought this was gonna be like just a new beginning, but no. But at least I didn't have to like wait in a long line for it. Yeah, this is more like crispy. So you got that crunch. You got just that regular chicken going on for you. Because this is not crispy at all. It's just chicken. But this is crispy AF. The Chick-fil-A wins. I'm not gonna even cap. Because it just tastes like regular chicken. Like, I thought it was about to be like life changing. But stay tuned. It's by Kiki. I usually post on Saturdays, but I'm probably gonna post this on a Thursday. So, bye.